Hello, welcome to Decoding Universe with Scientist. Recently, I have interacted with PMRF scholar. PMRF stands for Prime Minister Research Fellowship. PMRF is an advanced research fellowship for PhD students. By advanced, I mean it offers fellowship amount double as compared to normal PhD fellowship. That is 70K per month, in addition to a research grant of 2 lakh per year. So PMRF is an initiative from the government of India to retain brilliant minds in India itself. Shuvarati is a PMRF scholar at IISER Pune. She is working under the guidance of Umakant Rapol. So I am going to IISER Pune. Be there. So welcome, Shuvarati.
Thank you, Ajay, for calling me.
So Shuvarati, can you give a brief introduction about yourself?
I'm Shuvarati Roy. I'm from Kolkata and I'm in my second year of PhD here in IISER Pune.
So can you give a brief about your research project?
Okay, my research project focuses mainly on trapping ions using RF in a linear Paul trap. So the rapidly oscillating electric fields cause the ions to be trapped in a region of space inside the trap, and we place them in ultra-high vacuum chambers. Once we trap them, further we laser cool them and manipulate their states using lasers.
So what motivated you to do this research, this project especially?
I had attended a summer school and I heard talks on these ultra cold atoms and trapped ions, and I found it very interesting, especially the experimental ones that they were talking about. Also, trapped ions are an excellent platform for this quantum computing, quantum simulations. So my research would have impact. Also, it will be very interesting. Another reason why I chose this topic was I had to build the ion trap setup from the start, and therefore I could work and learn a lot on laser systems, optics, electronics, vacuum systems, design softwares and so on.
So could you explain the significance of your research work? This trapping ions using.
Okay, so the kind of trap that I am using for trapping ions is mainly used for quantum computing applications and also for fundamental studies of many body physics, where you study a condensed matter system using this kind of trapped ions. But in general, there are different types of traps and people use it for different applications. They have different working principles. So for example, the penning trap and the surface trap also is for quantum computing. Mostly penning traps are used for this precision measurement experiments. So there are a wide range of problems that can be addressed.
So what main challenges you face during your experiments?
The major challenge that we faced and even now we are facing is the imaging of the ions. The ions are few micrometers apart. So to image them on a camera, we need very good objective lens. So that will have a high magnification and a good resolution and so on. We are still working on that. Other problems we faced was the lasers were drifting. The lasers were unstable, so we had to put some optical elements to reduce that, also keep the lasers from external disturbances.
So what result you got from the experiment you did?
We are at a very early stage of our research, and till now we have a cloud of ions. We are trying to cool it. So basically we are seeing the ions fluorescence as a function of the RF power, the laser detunings, and there is some signature of laser cooling. Very preliminary data we have.
So what are the future perspective in this research field, and what are your research goals?
So as I said, that for my kind of traps, ions are used as a quantum computing platform or quantum simulation. So our next goal is to make the system as much robust as possible and finally get a linear chain of ions. We are also planning to show some gate operations by shining lasers on them and manipulating their states. And I would like to work on this interacting spin systems. Trapped ions are a very good platform for simulating such kind of systems, so I would like to explore more in that direction.
You have achieved PMRF. So
Yes.
how do you feel now?
Yes, I feel it's a happy thing, but of course comes with a lot of
Yeah, you
responsibilities.
have responsibility. And you also has to do some teaching.
Yes, I go for teaching. We have to complete a few hours of teaching.
So where you are going for teaching?
I'm going to the interdisciplinary department in Pune University.
Pune University.
Interdisciplinary
So what
department.
is the working hour?
Actually, in this semester, I have to complete more hours because after we got the results, we have less time. But it's around 50 hours per year.
50 hours per year.
Per year.
To correct copies also.
Yes, we have to teach them courses and take examinations, correct
Correct
papers.
paper also. So Shuvarati, what are your hobbies?
I like singing and also love listening to music, mostly classical. And recently, I developed a hobby for cooking. I try new things.
So how's your cooking going?
I like my cooking.
Like,
Yes.
so someone has tasted it food?
Yes, everyone says that it's good.
Yes, it's good. Nice. It's a nice hobby. So let's end this interview. So thank you, Shuvarati, for being a part of this series. I hope you like the interaction with Shuvarati. She really makes nice dishes. And if you are a researcher, you should also consider cooking as a main hobby, because if you are going outside India for research, then it will be difficult for you to find Indian food. Thanks.